want to start a new project, okay, and that project is going to build with what, with our slaves, right? Great. Now let's go to new item. Okay, great. Select freestyle for now. So what this is going to be our last. Let's call it what? Let's call it maybe building with master slave. Build with master slave. Or building with it, that's fine. It's okay. Master slave. Okay. Let's select freestyle for now. That's the last one we're doing with freestyle. And okay. Great. So by now you should already have the source code bookmarked somewhere, right? So let's add description. Add description. Yeah, exactly. I like that. Master slave project. Perfect. So excellent. And in the build environment, we can just, okay, that's it. Hold on 1 second now. Do you see the last option is what? Restrict where this project can be run. Click on restrict where this project can be run. Exactly. See that? Now, what's the level? We had dev, right? Dev, test, and prod. So you can select any.
Okay.
So select dev. See that? It pops up in the drop down. Select it. Perfect. Now, hold on 1 second. See the space there? If you hit it, do you see how it says no agent could match this level? Let's hit the backspace. Clear that space. Backspace. Perfect. There, now what? Everything is good now. That's okay. It's good. Okay. Level what? Dev agent what? Matches one node. Permissions and others not provided by plugins before that what? Does this, that list. So that's fine. So now let's scroll down again. And we will define our source codes. There you go. And then what's the project repository?
Let me get this from here. Online library. Okay.
Okay. Then provide it there.
Why is this though?
Now your network is slow.
For no reason. Okay. Credentials should be.
No. We don't need to provide credential. Why? Because it's a public repository, right? So just keep that for now. So once the repository is public, you don't need to provide anything like credential. Okay. In terms of the build, let's build from. Okay. We're going to create a new branch to do this through PR. Let's build through maybe. Let's do test or dev branch. Let's just do dev. So replace master with dev. Great. And then scroll again. Okay, and there you go. Keep scrolling down. Okay. Now let's talk about build triggers.
So
Click on pull SCM and what? I want to build every minute.
Okay. So we have.
Perfect. Click outside of that field. Right. And build environment. See that? So one step after the other. Now let's what? Let's just add timestamps to the console output. That's fine. Perfect. And then what? Get to build steps now. Okay. Click on build step, invoke top level Maven targets. So by now you should have already defined your Maven version. Select that, Maven 3.9.6, great. The goal, our first goal is we're going to use Maven to package the application. So what, clean package? Just type clean package there. Perfect. And let's add to another build step again for SonarQube. Sonar. Let's invoke again, select a Maven version. Sonar what? Sonar semicolon sonar. Great.
Is it colon or
then-
semicolon, sir?
No, it's good. That's good there. Okay. And again, add another build step. Great. See that? This time around, we're going to deploy into Nexus. So just type deploy. Great. And then scroll down. That's it. Now let's go to post build action. And we want to what? Deploy WAR or AR to a container. Great. And now what? We define. You can input. I think the WAR file is going to be found in target. Target / star YCAT. Star in tech, we call that YCAT, then WAR. So anything that is in the target that ends with WAR, right? There we go. In the context path, just type April 9. So context path can be just anything. No, it's okay. That's YCAT, sir. Now have to go and type YCAT. So that star there is the YCAT. Okay. So I'm going to type YCAT now. I'm looking for YCAT. Okay. Let's add container. Our Tomcat version is Tomcat 9. So select Tomcat 9. Okay. Now let's add our credential. There we go. Admin. But maybe we should walk through on how to add that credential. Oh, do we? I think we should all understand how that's done, right? No, hold on. No, it's okay. Don't worry about that. Oh, now it can open. Let's cancel it. It's fine. Okay, a Tomcat URL. So
Get Tomcat up.
yeah,
This is
Tomcat up
settings.
running now. Start Tomcat and then get a Tomcat URL should be good.
Prof, for the Sonar, hasn't his SonarQube URL changed? Like
that we are going to see that, right? We are going to see that in the POM file. So of course, when we now clone the repository to the command line, right, we are going to update those details. See that? That's something that we are going to update in the back end, right? I mean, when we are doing the push, doing the commit.
This again.
Have you started Tomcat, sir, on your CLI?
It's already up and running. So if it's up, it means that it's started. See that? It's already. That's good. Okay. Now let's copy that URL. We have so many senior engineers in the house. Great. I like that. Yep. Okay. Now let's provide the Tomcat URL. Ctrl V. Let's take out the HTML and manager. Excellent. There you go. And yeah, that's it. Let's apply and save. Good. But now let's add what we discussed yesterday. Let's add notification. So again, go back to Manage Jenkins and let's go to plugins and configure notifications. Manage Jenkins again. Go to plugins. Go to available plugins. Good. And let's search for Office Connector. There you go. That's it. Click there and install. Perfect. Okay. And now if you go back to configure your project again, just go to dashboard. And let's click on that project. Let's go to configure project. And now we are going to see that. Let's add what? Add webhook.
His Jenkins is fast.
Yeah, like super fast. Okay, that's good. And he's in Douala, Cameroon to begin with. So good things come from Cameroon. For those who were asking, can anything good come out of Cameroon? This is a good thing.
If you need a visa, I can work on your visa.
Yes, yes, of course. We can facilitate. Okay, great. Go to your project documentation. We had provided those webhooks there, right? Exactly. So if you scroll down, I like how you have everything bookmarked. You know, you just go there. You have to go looking for things again over and over. Just scroll down. Maybe you may have to refresh to update the document. Great. And just keep going.
This master slave now. That's what
No.
supposed to do. Okay.
Do you see
notifications? Notifications post build. Oh, system card. Post build notifications.
okay, great. See that? Let's do class 25. Since you're in class 25, that's it. Copy the whole thing.
Copy.
Okay. Who is that? We're living by the water. It's been a while I heard that sound. Forgive me. What's that? Are those frogs?
They are frogs, I think.
Okay.
Who's that person?
My God will pay you.
I like that. Oh God. But it's almost 2. It's 1 a.m. now. What's happening with them? Are they hungry? Do you host them?
They are looking for females.
They're looking for what?
Females.
If they're woken up and they're hungry to eat, they're looking for the other one.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Why do you guys know so much about frogs?
That's the question.
The thing is, when I was in high school, we had to catch them and dissect them and study them.
Okay, so we have some scientists in the house. Okay. Okay, now let's click in the name. Okay, great. Let's just give it what? Class 2025 notification. That's it. It's okay. It's fine. Now go to advanced. Click on advanced. So we want to notify when the build starts, when the build aborted, when it fails, when the build notify not build. Okay. Apply and save, and that's it. Oh, excellent. Good. So now, if you do build now First of all, our view number 1 failed. Let's troubleshoot why it failed. First of all, yeah, there you go. Console output. Perfect. I can tell why it failed. It could not find that branch. The dev branch that original dev is not found. So that's what. So it will not build. See that? Exactly. Okay, great. So let's copy that URL again. Let's go to your Git bash now. Oh, it's okay. It's fine. You're already there. Open the project.
No. This is projects. What's this? Home.
Open folder. Yep. And then there you go. Online library. Open. Great. Excellent. I like that. So this is our last project on Freestyle. Tomorrow we're going to start with pipeline. Okay. Great. And open terminal. Excellent. Now, good. So we are on the branch master. Excellent. So now let's what? Let's first of all just do a change and create that branch dev and move to it before we do anything. So let's just say we touch a file there. Just touch maybe test. I want us to do a change something. Let's touch test. So touch is the command we use to create a file. And now let's run git status. Okay, let's run git add. Git add test. Now let's create a branch called dev. So now what? The branch must what? I think who asked the question yesterday? It was that Pascal, right? So what? The branch must match what you gave Jenkins. So what? We've told Jenkins what to be from the branch dev, right? So that's what git branch dev. That's the command to create a branch. Git branch dev. No, git branch. Be very careful. The command is wrong. Git branch dev. Excellent. Okay. Now we are going to switch branch. So run git checkout to dev. Git checkout dev. Excellent. There we go. Right. Now let's do a commit. Git commit. Git commit -m. Open brackets. Yeah, and then in between the brackets. No, the quote. Right. Double quotes. Open and close, and then type in between. You can say first what? First Jenkins master slave build. Building on dev. So like we mentioned, Git. By the way, Git commit. We are going to start Git with. We are going to start class 26 very soon, and I'll expect all of you to join the beginning of that class because what it starts with Linux and then Git. So it's just going to flow from the foundation. Okay, good. Now let's push now. Git push origin dev. Yeah. Enter. See that? Okay, good. So it's okay. That's fine. It's pushed already. So if you want to check it, you can check git log. But now let's go to your Jenkins, and you should see Jenkins. What Jenkins should be able to start that build. Go back to the project itself. So just give it some moment, some time. We should see build number 2 coming up. See that? Yeah. There we go. So this is automation in place without clicking on build now. Jenkins as soon as there's a change in the source code repository, see that now it's building why? Because it found a dev branch, right?
Yes.
It found a dev branch, so now I can build on dev branch. And you can see I have received notification. I don't know how many of you are in class 25. Have you also received notifications? You should see that yeah, Philemon started it says what? Okay, started by what? By a change in source code management. You can see. So it's going to build, but we expect the SonarQube to fail because what? Server will not be reached. Then what? We go back again to our source code and update the server details.
Execution for build with master slave started. Latest status of build number 2.
Exactly. See that? So in this case, I don't even have to go check the build, go watch it on Jenkins. I just receive the notifications. There you go. Good.
Yeah.
Server cannot be reached. We expected that. And again, what? If you look at your Jenkins, do you all receive the failure notifications where it says
Yes.
Jenkins build failed, build number 2 failed, right? Failing what? Failing since build number 1. So it even tells you how far the build has been failing. Since what? Since build number 1, and then what? It's reporting a repeated failure. Okay. Now let's go to your Jenkins SonarQube interface and what? And copy those details and go and update the POM file.
Okay.
Now we are going to SonarQube. Now, do you realize that when okay, great. And do you still know where you saved your last token? If you saved it somewhere, you can use the exact same token.
It was in the POM. It was copied into the POM file. I think.
No. So, but this is now we are working on a different branch now. So he needs to provide the token on that branch.
Oh.
That's okay. Let's go ahead and create a new project and generate one. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
There's no, go to the plus sign. The plus sign just around the admin. There you go. New project. Let's call it April 9. The goal for that is what? Is just to generate the token. So click on set up. There you go. And generate what? Token. There you go. And then
this existing token.
No, it's okay. Don't worry. Generate that. Copy that. Good. Now let's save it somewhere. That's it. We're done there. Now let's go back to your back end now. Go back to your VS Code.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to pom.xml file. Great. See that? And let's look for the SonarQube section. Just keep scrolling down. We're going to stop there. See that? That's what. First, let's update the sonar.login where you see the token on line 97. Yep. Let's update that. I think that's where Aratunde was having issues. Now again, let's update what? Update the SonarQube URL as well. So let's just go back and copy the URL and then we update it. And then of course, once we push again, we should see that first troubleshooting step. Okay, resolved. Okay, great. Looks good to me. Of course, so admin is the default username, right? So it's good. Now let's get back to your command line. And we are going to run git status. You're going to see that POM file has changed. Run git add POM file. Perfect, I like that. Add git status there. And again, git add POM file. Okay, hold on 1 second. Who is getting more clarity with this process now? Who was lost before, but now it's becoming clearer?
I think I am, because yesterday I had Pascal help me. We had to go through it together, but today I'm much more better.
Okay, great. And I see, okay, great. Now, okay, add that. And then what? If you run git status now, you can check that file is ready for commit. Now that's what? Run git commit again. -m, open your bracket. What you can say? What? So what did you do in this particular commit? It's like you are sending an email, right, about a file that you have changed something in the file. What did you do in that file? Because just what? Add the exactly. So now whole setup. That's fine. That's the okay. Right. So now anybody who picks up this PRO will know exactly what has changed. Therefore, what? Just going to go and check the sooner line. Git push origin def. So what? This change in source code with the help of the build trigger, we should be able to see build number 3. And of course, what? If I just check my Jenkins now, I mean my teams, I should see build number 3 trigger in just a moment. So everybody in class 25 should see it now, right? You should see build number 3 is going to start very soon. Great. Let's go back to Jenkins now, and you're going to see when the build starts. Don't worry, you'll see it will come up. Go to Jenkins and let's see. So once the build is triggered, okay, build number 2 failed. So what? Oh, there's one thing we haven't checked. We have not checked what slave that build is running on. So in the console output for build number 3, we want to confirm, okay, where Jenkins master is scheduling the job. How come I don't see the build? That's the build coming up, right? It takes a while. Because what? See that? Let's check the console output. Okay. Let's take it one step at a time. Let's see. Scroll up. Scroll up. Let's first of all check where that build. Okay. See that? Let's check on what slave the build is running on. Just keep going up. Go up.
Yeah.
Oh, see that? Perfect. Hold on 1 second. It's building where? See that? On slave 1, exactly. And that's what we want to write on slave 1. Yeah. Great. I think Alan is asking a question. Alan, is there something specific you're not seeing?
Yeah, I was gonna ask because I'm not seeing any trigger on my own end in the teams. So that's what yeah.
What class are you in? You're in class 25, right? Same class as Philemon?
I believe so.
Yeah. So
I'm not seeing 2.
You should go to Teams. See in chats. Leave chats and go to Teams, and you'll be able to see it there. It's under Teams.
Oh, by the way, even if you check your activity, it should just pop up there as notification. But now you see what that build has started again, and what so now I can see who the committer is, who the developer is. Okay, but what again? It failed. Now let's check where it failed. I'm sure what it failed at the level of Nexus.
Repeated failure.
There we go. Okay, repeated failure again. This is great, right? So, but then what? Let's check where it failed. SonarQube went through, right? So if you go to your SonarQube now, you should see that you had a job at 8:55 or 1:55 in Cameroon time. Go to your SonarQube server. Let's check. Okay.
And now where are you?
Right. Okay. See that? Just go to projects. No, go to projects. There you go. Look at the time. See that? April 10 hour time, 1:55 a.m., right? 1:54 a.m. That's exactly when so it went through. It was updated. Now, let's go to the console output and check something.
Okay. This is Jenkins. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Where did it fail? It failed at the level of do not connect. See that? Yeah. Okay. See that? So again, what? That's Nexus, right? You can see actual repository, all of that. Good.
Yeah.
Again, that's what. Let's go ahead and update. Okay. So copy the Yeah. So you need to log into Nexus and copy the existing repository and just update it in your POM file. So let's go back to POM file. No, so let's just go back to your POM file and then update the Nexus section. So if you scroll up now, there you go. Stop there. See that? So we're going to update the. Okay, great. Okay, but now we need to log into Nexus on the console. No, that's not the next. The next one is up. It's on line 85. I can see a mouse on 95.
This is Nexus, yeah.
Exactly. Let's update the repositories.
Nexus 7, logging in.
Okay. How come I don't see the builds? Are you able to see now, Alan?
No.
I would have asked a very funny. No, don't log into Nexus server. What do you do? Log into Nexus on the console. So you don't have anything to do on the server. It's on the console.
Yes.
Okay. Let me see if I can. Activity.
Yeah. Okay.
Teams class 25. Connect to. Great.
Seriously?
Yep. Sometimes.
I think I need to do some adjustments there. I think when I was creating this thing, Google was just filling it with his own passwords, and now I need to. I can't even remember them.
Okay, so let's show password because we're going to need that password. Or you can create a new user with a default password because.
Oh yeah, I remember. There's a new user actually. Let me sign in with the new user. I just remember.
Okay. No, okay, that's wrong.
There's a new user. I actually created a new user yesterday.
Okay, great. Okay, now let's go to repository. Go to browse. No, browse at the other end. Yep, there we go. And then let's just copy the Azure release. Just copy Azure release. No, click on it. You can either copy the URL. Oh, sorry. Go to settings instead. That's fine also. That's very okay. Don't worry. that was fine. Yeah, but let's go to settings and go to go to repositories. There you go. Copy on Azure release, and let's copy the URL. There you go. Copy. Control C. There is going to be okay. And let's go on update the Nexus section. No, that was released, right? It's released. So scroll up. There you go. Line 79.
Release. So.
Perfect. And copy the exact same thing for the snapshot. We haven't taken a break today. Copy that. Okay. And so once we're done with this pipeline, we're just going to take a break and then come back and listen to the presentations. Good. That looks good. So let's push that change now. Again, back to your command line, git status, the exact same thing you did the first time. Consider the file was modified. Pom.xml file. There you go. Git add.
Yeah, it's even easier. Yeah, just commit here.
It's okay. Don't do that for now. Don't do that for now. Don't worry, because this video is is for everybody. Not everybody is comfortable to do what other people can. I don't know about that. Like these are advanced features. Don't worry about that. Git add, and then you can do that. Git commit again. Set up for Nexus. Perfect. Okay, Artifactory. What's that? Stephanie, are you following up now? Is it clear? Or Stephanie has gone back to bed? Okay. Okay, push. So now the next error we're going to see is what is going to be the 401 error. Then of course we have to. Now you would realize that because Jenkins is building on slave 1, we will need to SSH into slave 1, okay, and go and update the settings of XML file. So whatever slave you are building on, you must go in there and authorize the slave to upload into Nexus. So now if you go back to your Jenkins console,
build 4 is already running.
Exactly. And then if someone say sharp guy. Yeah, I think I can. Let me check Alan here at Alan, I can see you here. I can see you in this notification chart. So now the upload to Nexus is going to fail. Okay, it's going to give you a 401 error. We expect that. Therefore, we are going to then again SSH into slave 1.
This is
see that? There you go. See that?
Okay, you connect.
That's the 401 error there.
Okay, you connected to Nexus already.
Yeah, but it got an error message. See that? 401. So now we into what slave that's slave 1, right?
Yes, slave 1.
Okay, now let's log into slave 1. Let's SSH into slave 1.
Okay.
So go to AWS and copy the
I'm already to slave 1. This slave 1 here.
No, you are slave. Okay, good. Excellent.
Let me restart it. I don't know what happened. Okay.
Okay, now let's run Control plus, increase font size. Increase again. Perfect. Now run ls there. Okay, if you cd into slave 1, cd stands for change directory. Okay, ls there again. So you see that slave 1 contains our jobs, right? If you go to workspace, you're going to see the jobs there. So cd into workspace, ls there. See that? Building Building with master slave. Again, if you cd into that, you're going to see all the view numbers. So that directory you created is what is hosting. You see that? You can see the project and everything. Let's get out of there. Let's do cd space dot again, dot again, cd dot again. Okay. ls there. Good. No, sir. Always follow instruction. Run cd theta.
This.
Yeah. And then let's again get back into slave 1. cd slave 1. ls there. Okay, let's what? Still into tools. ls. Let's clear screen. Great. ls there again. Let's sit into Houston. So cdh, tap your key. Perfect. Enter. ls there again. Sit into M, tap your key. ls there again. Sit into conf, tap your key. C, tap key. Okay, ls there. See that? That's the file, right? .xml file.
Yes.
Settings.xml file. So we're going to run sudo vi into s. Perfect. Enter. Great. Now let's run CNumber like that. Then with your arrow keys, not the mouse, let's move down to line 130 something. I think 131. Great. How's everyone feeling? Good? Confident? Okay.
Yes.
So at the end of line 133, first of all, press I for insert mode. Now let's go to the end of 133, and we're going to hit enter. And that's where we're going to provide our credential. Okay. Either we go to the documentation or what you can, let's go to document. Let's hit enter there again. Great. Now let's copy everything on line 120 to 124. So now you see the importance of the C number, right?
Yes.
Exactly. Copy 120 to 124, copy everything. And let's open Notepad. Okay. Paste it there. And then first thing first, let's take out the numbers. Take out 121. Perfect. Take out that one. Oh, take out the other one. The other one again. Good. Let's shift that server inside of it. The first one. No. Oh, it's okay. What? Let's either we move the last one to align. Okay. Okay. Let's move it out to align there. Great. Where it says deployment repository, let's type Nexus. Okay, great. And where it says deployment username, is what? It's Ashu, right?
Yes.
See that? I shouldn't what password, make sure the password is correct. So then, okay, there you go. Then what? Copy everything, server. There you go. Come back, and then what? We're going to paste, just paste on 134. Perfect. If you want, you can align 139 inside a bit. Great. No, bring it back. There you go. See that? Excellent. Now what? You can press the escape button, save and quit. So if that password is correct, then it's going to go through now. Great. And let's get out of there and go back to your VS Code. So we can either just go ahead now, because since it was no change in the want to trigger this build remotely. So in that test file, so okay, just run ls there, ls on your command mode. On your command line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have a test file. Let's change the name of that test file. Let's do test to test one. So move test to test one. Just move test. Okay, to test one. Excellent. Enter. Now, if you type git status, you're going to see something changed, right? The file was renamed. Excellent. That's what. Type git add now. So why did we do that? We just want to, do something that is going to trigger a change so that Jenkins can pull something, right, and do a build. Okay, that's why we do that. Okay, git commit. Let's say what? Fixing Nexus authentication. what? Oh, triggering Nexus remotely. What time has gone? Eh? Okay, good. It's fine. It's okay. You must not do what I'm saying. Just do anything. Nexus trigger. That's fine. Enter. Great. Now let's push. Git push origin dev. And so if I look at my notification, so Alan, I have called you up on that chat. I see that you're a member of it.
Yeah, I get it now. I was looking at the wrong place. Thank you.
There you go. Great.
Okay. Oh, send this. It said on branch, change is not staged for commit. Get this.
So of course, what run git add. You just forgot what you were doing just a few minutes ago. Again, what? You must run git add before you run git commit. That's the flow. And by the way, right, you must not go ahead to do the thing. You just if you press the up arrow key, you can just you can record the command that you just last typed. Just press the up arrow key. Again, there you go. Enter. See that? You must not go typing the whole thing again. Believe me, just run the up arrow key and you're good to go. Okay, good. Now we can. Don't worry about it. That's what. Just go back now and check on your stuff.
Oh yeah, build 5.
So do you see the? Great. I can see views. Yeah, view. Okay, that's what. Check it now.
Can you go to bed? Thank you.
That's what view 5 went through.
Yeah, build 5 went through. Nice.
So if you check your Tomcat now, it should be deployed. See that? Excellent. Let's go to Tomcat now. I'm going to see your application there. So now,
it's not KPI. Like this is. Oh,
let's go to Tomcat and you're going to check your application there. It's 8009. But you had that's Tomcat over there, right? It was already up and running. See that? And see that's April 9, right? There you go. So if you click on April 9.
April 9 there.
There you go. See that? That's the application. It's up and running. Good job. Kudos. You just deploy your first application end to end, setting up the build, the testing, and notifications. So you saw how your team members are able to see everything. Now, if you go back to Teams now, you should see that build number 6 is a success. So you should never give up in life.
It's success.
Okay, great. That's excellent. Let's take a break and we'll come back. We're going to have a presentation. And that'll be over to this class. Let's take a okay, let's take a 15 minutes break. Okay, 15, not 50. 15. Before some project goes. No, not 50. 15. 15 minutes break. I'll see you.